Hello, my name is Maria Isabel Porras Arias. The theme I will explain is a variant of the described expression of the Christ Redeemer. I am greeting from the city Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is one of the seven wonders of the world such as the Christ Redeemer. I meet some university colleagues with whom we decided to take a tour in South America. We are very happy with the climate of this city because it's a mild climate that then allows us to go for the walk, to see the place that make up of the statue of the Christ Redeemer and the country then can be seen in Rio de Janeiro. In this photo I find myself looking on some stairs that are in front of the statue of the Christ. In this image we can see that there are many tours, like us who take advantage of the Sunday to visit this wonder. Admission there is a bit complicated because of the number of people who attend there. The statue of the Christ Redeemer is very represent a statue in religion, as this represents Jesus Christ with from us with open arms. This statue is located on the top is Tijuana National Park. This park is very important in the city and also allows us to have a wonderful view there of the height. There is train then allows us to climb to the top of this hill. It is sitting also allowed about beautiful render and some beach. This is all I can tell you about this wonder. Thank you.